Okay, so I'm dragging my recorded vocal tag in my FL Studio. Let me enlarge it. Okay, good. So let me go to this master and off this my limiter. It's not needed for now. Okay, so I have my recorded vocal tag in my playlist. Let's listen to it first.
IFROWIZZY on the beats. IFROWIZZY on the beats.
Now you've heard it, you know how it sounds. So I want to do some edits. Okay, look, first you have to put it in a channel. As you can see, it's in my number 5. It's routed to my channel at the number 5 of my mixer. It's my mixer here. Yeah, that is it. So my signal is coming through there. So I'm bringing up this plugin, a de-esser, because of the S's and the for the IFROWIZZY and the beats. I have to de-ess it. So I'm going to use the male split band. The male split band.
IFROWIZZY on the beats.
As you can see, the S, the and this is being jammed, is being compressed with the plugin. Another plugin I'm bringing up is an equalizer. This is the Fab equalizer. If you have the stock, you can use it. You use any like the parametric EQ too, you can use it, but I like using my favorite Fabfilter Pro Q3. This is my favorite because I'm saying the strength. So I have to cut the low end. The low end is not necessary.
IFROWIZZY on the beats. IFROWIZZY on the beats. IFROWIZZY on the beats. IFROWIZZY on the beats.
And boost the highs.
On the beats. IFROWIZZY 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 on the beats.
Okay, you have to change this for the de-essing, where the S's and where it sits at the range of 9,000 kilohertz up to 8,000, that range. So I have to bring it down.
IFROWIZZY on the beats.
Okay,
IFROWIZZY on the beats.
Here.
IFROWIZZY
so I have now to
IFROWIZZY
now at that spot
on the beats. IFROWIZZY
so deep it down and for the dynamics
on the beats.
To give it more dynamics.
IFROWIZZY on the beats.
Yeah. So what we want to do next now is to bring up a reverb. So I'm going to be using the Fruity Reverb 2. Increase the load a little, increase the size all the way up to 100, decrease the dry, increase the wet all the way to 100. Then the DEC, take it to like 4 seconds. Yeah, that is the decay time. Yeah, after the reverb, what we want to do now is zoom in and select the first word. Yeah, the first word, and we gonna take this out now. We're gonna consolidate only this first word with our reverb plugin. If you have the shortcut, you can use it, but I'm gonna use through here. Consolidate track from time selection. Okay, this is very important. You see here, leave reminder. You have to leave it at leave reminder for this purpose, for this tutorial purpose. and you hit start. Why I did that leave reminder is because of the reverb to keep on playing so it doesn't cut it. So as you can see, it gives that reverb its space. I'm gonna play it for you to hear. So you've heard it. All I have to do now is reverse it. I'll unback this. Let me set this back to the normal state. Now let me drag it so it fits in with the reverb state. Now you can hear it now. Hear how it sounds. Okay. Now you hear it now. Wait. I have to do something again. I'll go back to there, to my reverb, increase the dry up, decrease the wet down, and decrease the decay time back as it was. Yeah, that's usually what you can touch there. And you now hear it now, how it sounds.
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
You can hear that. You now hear how it looks now.
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
So I want it playing only from here. Just watch little things I'm gonna do for it to be more realistic. So I cut it so it stops immediately. Main vocals enter.
On the beat.
Yeah. Yeah.
IFROWIZZY.
I think I like it this way. We can reduce the volume. Can reduce the volume there.
IFROWIZZY
and again
on the beat.
I come up here and route it to this channel. So it has its own channel.
IFROWIZZY
volume
on the beat.
Check. Yeah, and we'll load up something again here, which is the
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
Pan-O-matic. Bring down the volume down to the center. Put it on volume. Increase the speed. Increase the amount.
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
All the way to 100. What we want to do from here is hit the speed and we create an automation on the speed.
IFROWIZZY on
Let's
the
do
beat.
that. Yeah, so after creating the automation, we have to
IFROWIZZY
now
on the
edit
beat.
it a little, bring it down a little, down a bit. Take it a little up.
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
Now you see how it works now. Take it a little bit.
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
That sounds better now. I reduce this a little bit from the mixer and
IFROWIZZY on the
increase
beat.
the ER, increase the dry a little bit. Okay,
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
better now.
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
I want to load up my Fabfilter Pro Q3
on the beat.
and reduce the low ends because those plays now is eating a lot of space in the speaker, so I have to reduce it because our ears can't hear any sound below this spot.
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
And take a bit out of the highs, like increase the highs
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
Have to use the appropriate
IFROWIZZY
signature.
on the beat.
Okay, for clarity,
IFROWIZZY on the beat.
so like this should be okay. This is what I use. Okay,
IFROWIZZY on the
Well,
beat.
it works fine in the ears. Yeah, let me adjust it this place
IFROWIZZY
for more
on the beat.
brightness in the voice. I've gotten a sweet producer tag for my beats,
IFROWIZZY
and
on the
now
beat.
I can go and export it wave. Remember, your producer tag should be exported in a wave format. A wave format means the original copy. I'll save it now as IFROWIZZY on the beat. Save. Remember, watch the settings. I'll leave the reminder is on leave reminder, not cut reminder. Then I start, and we successfully have our producer tag